Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize PandaDoc tracking links in LinkedIn Outreach. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your PandaDoc account. Locate the document that you wish to track. Open the document to access the editing interface. In the top right corner, find the Share button and click on it. Select Tracking Link from the drop-down menu. You will see an option to generate a tracking link. Click on Generate Link to create your unique tracking URL. Once the link is generated, copy it to your clipboard. Next, log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the Connections or Messaging tab, depending on how you want to reach out. Choose a contact or start a new message. Paste the PandaDoc tracking link into your message. Before sending, add a personalized note to engage your recipient. Ensure your message clearly explains what the recipient will find in the document. Once you're satisfied with your message, hit send. Monitor the performance of your tracking link in PandaDoc. You can access detailed analytics from the document dashboard. This will provide insights on views and engagement. Now you're set to use PandaDoc tracking links effectively in your LinkedIn outreach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.